Hi everyone, this is Katrina and I want to do a quick video showing you how you can transfer content from one WordPress website to another. So this video will be great for pretty much anyone who has a WordPress.com website, a free WordPress.com website, and now you are at the point where you want to upgrade your site, maybe change your design or your theme or add some extra features, and you want to create a new website using the self-hosted WordPress.org software. So that you're not recreating all those blog posts and images, perhaps even years of blog posts and images, the good news is that you don't have to recreate that. You can just export the data from your existing WordPress website and import it into a new WordPress website. So let me show you how we do that in this video. Here we see I have a bunch of images. I have a lot of blog posts here with content, and then at the top I have all my pages with all of the content as well. So the first step we need to do to transfer all of this content to a new WordPress website is we need to export all of this data. To export this data, you want to go up to the dashboard by clicking on Dashboard. And then you want to scroll down to where it says Tools, and when you hover over Tools, you'll notice that there's a link here that says Export. So I'm going to click on Export right here, and here we are on the Export page. As it notes at the top, it says when you click the button below, this blue Download Export File button, WordPress will create an XML file for you to save to your computer. This format, which we will call WordPress, XML, I'll just say, will contain your post, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. Once you've saved the downloaded file, you can use the import function in another WordPress installation to import the content from this site. So this is really cool. This is a huge time saver. So choose what you want to export. I'm going to export all content by leaving the radio button here clicked on all content, and then I'm going to click on this button down below that says Download Export File. Once the XML file has been downloaded, the next step is you need to go over to the new installation of WordPress, to the other WordPress website where you want to actually import the data that you just downloaded in the previous step. So here I am on a new WordPress website. It's a new WordPress domain called nonprofitwordpress.com, and we can see it's pretty bare bones. I have the default blog post here, Hello World, and a default page called Sample Page, and I'm using the free e-commerce theme by Woo Themes called Artificier. I'll say it with an accent to keep it fun. So anyway, pretty bare bones. What I need to do now is I need to import the XML file that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go up to the dashboard by clicking on Dashboard, and then on the left hand side I'm going to hover over Tools, and this time I'm going to click on Import. Once you click on Import, then you'll see at the bottom there's this link here that says WordPress with a little note next to it that says install the WordPress importer to import post, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags from a WordPress export file. So we need to upload or install this WordPress importer plugin. So I'm going to click on WordPress right here, and then you'll see there's a description and you can read more about the importer, but I'm simply going to click on Install Now to install this plugin. Once the plugin has been installed, the next step is you want to click on Activate Plugin and Run Importer. Okay, so here we are on the Import WordPress screen. What we need to do now is choose the XML file that we want to upload, then click Upload File and Import. So I'm going to click on Choose File to choose the file, and then I'm going to select the XML file right here that I want to upload, and I'm going to click on Choose. And once that has been chosen, now I need to click on Upload File and Import. The next step is to assign authors of the content that we're importing. So we can see, for example, that my name is spelled with an H here, but my username for this particular WordPress version, this WordPress website, the new WordPress website, is simply my name, my first name. So I'm going to assign all posts that I am importing to my existing username right here by clicking on that, and then I'm going to click on this button here, Download and Import File Attachments, and then I'm going to click on Submit to submit this info. Once you click on Submit, WordPress will begin to import all of the data from the XML file into your new WordPress website. Once all of the data has been imported, then you'll have a note down here that says, all done, have fun. Now, I'm glad that this showed up for the video because I do want to point out you may get some error messages, or they're not really error messages, but just messages telling you that certain data failed to import or certain pages already exist. If a page already exists, then it'll just let you know. This is the sample page, the default page that comes with WordPress, so I'm not surprised to see this. But when it says failed to import, usually that is telling you that, of course, it failed to import, but then you want to wonder, well, why did it not import? Is there something wrong? Well, there's not anything wrong in this particular example because I know that the website that I had exported the XML file from was the Buro e-commerce Woo Themes theme, and that theme has a slider on the homepage. This theme is the Artificer Woo Themes e-commerce theme, and it does not have a slider on the homepage. For that reason, the WordPress is telling me that it did not import the slider content because there's no slider on this new theme. So that's an okay message. Just be aware of that. You might want to read through whatever messages you get here. There's usually always a good reason, but the most important thing is it should say here, all done, have fun. If it says that, then you're good to go. So let's take a look now at actually, let's look first at the home page. So I'm going to go up to the top, click on Visit Site, and here we see, here is the home page of this new WordPress website that I'm starting. So we see now I have all of these different pages have been added to the site. And I have my one blog post here featured on the home page. When I click on blog, I'm going to click on that. We'll see that I also have quite a few blog posts that I had created in the other website. They're all showing up right here. And then when I click on, let's see, I'll click on portfolio. And here we'll see now I have all of my images. So the import-export tool in WordPress is a great way to save time if you have content in a previous WordPress website and you're starting a new website, but you want to transfer content from one WordPress website to another. So this is really a great start now. I've saved quite a lot of time and I'm good to go. So obviously I need to really set this theme up, and I'll do that in one of the next videos. But I hope that this video was helpful in showing you how you can save time by using the import-export tools in WordPress. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.